Hi there, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Alexandra from Sesala Design, and this week's sewing idea is a thrift flip project. I had this jumpsuit for quite some time, and I didn't wear it. Each year it was looking at me from the closet. One day I decided that it's time to make something else from that fabric. And I went for a dress. P.S. It has a crazy print, which is reminding me of a... Moving on, I have my coffee and I'm ready to start this project. This is a very long jumpsuit that has a detachable waist string. I decided to make the dress shorter with a frill and butterfly sleeves. I mark where the waist should be and measure from there where I want my skirt to end. Next, I will use a line to trace where I should cut the pants. I turn inside out and mark again. I recommend you to keep your clothing on the wrong side because this is how you can see it better where the cut should be placed. Cut it. And I will also remove the extra fabric from the crotch area. I pin and sew the opening, back and front. After that, I use the serger to clean the edge. Now it's time to take my seam ripper and open the stitches of the legs. One pants leg I use for the bottom ruffle. The other pants leg I use for my sleeves. I will press the fabric to make it easier to cut it. I divide it in three the other pants leg after I open it on one side. I sew them together. And of course I use once again the serger to be sure that my fabric doesn't fray. After that I pressed each stitch. I pin the edge and sew it. The final part with the bottom ruffle is to make the double stitch together. attach it to the dress. Sew it. And use the serger to clean the edges. Time to sew the sleeves. I took the other leg of the pants, cut all the seams, and draw my sleeves. I measured 28 centimeters in the middle and drew a concave form, as you see in the video. The length of my sleeve is around 60 centimeters. I also gathered the sleeves, applying the same techniques as in the ruffle. Because I'm a little obsessed with details, and I like my clothes to look on the inside as good as on the outside, I opened the sleeve seam in order to insert my sleeves between the face of the fabric and the lining that the dress has. If your jumpsuit doesn't have a lining, then it's much easier because you can sew it directly to the sleeve opening and use later the serger to clean the edge. I attach the sleeve to the face of the fabric, pin it face to face, and sew it. Next, I rolled and pinned the lining. But because it's on the inside, I could do it only one half at a time. First half, and the second half. And voila, the sleeves look like this on the inside. And now the dress. But first, I have to tell you that I'm so happy because it's finally summer. I took this new dress out without any jacket and I couldn't be more happy. That's it this week. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video, and if you have any questions or advice, as usual, my comment section is open. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up and share if you learned something new that you love. Until next time, let's find inspiration.